How to create professional services business plan on Microsoft Word. So hello guys, first thing you have to do is just go to Microsoft Word right here, and then this is the home page as you can see. Now go to the business option here in the top, click on business and it will take you to this page. Now right here you will find many templates, and here is the professional services business plan template. Now if you didn't find it, you can just search for professional services business plan here and you will find it. Then click on it and click create, and now wait a few seconds and it will take you to this page. Now right here you can change and edit the text as you want. As you can see, you can edit and just click and edit. It's very easy. And as you can see, it's actually very easy to edit. As I said, you can add a text or remove a text if you want. You can remove or add. After you finish, just click here in the save option and it will be saved easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.